Critical Care Center, we typically see on average about 5 types of cases. Of course, here in Florida, we have beautiful weather year-round, so watercraft injuries are definitely one of the #1 cases that we see. Not only just impact collisions with a boat propeller, but also the impact of the watercraft coming into contact with a manatee at a high rate of speed.
The crane is super important in our daily routine. If we did not have the crane, we wouldn't be able to get the manatees into the pool when they first arrive to us. So as you can see, the pools are elevated off the ground. Sometimes the manatees can be up to 2,000 pounds when they come in. So we really require that in order to get them from the transport truck into the medical pools. And then when they get released, we use it as well to get them from the pools into the transport truck. And then on a daily basis, anytime we need to get a weight on one of our manatees, we use the crane as well for that.
That these animals can face and live through and survive is unbelievable. They have the strongest will to live of any species I've ever worked with, and that really makes them great candidates for rehab. That, you know, we're doing what we can, but if they didn't have the will to fight for that, then I don't think we'd be able to save as many as we do.